Now we will see next topic, similarity and right angled triangle. Okay, the statement is, in a right angled triangle, let A, B, C is right angled triangle. Then from the vertex of right angle, if you draw the perpendicular on hypotenuse, that means B is the vertex of right angle. So BD perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. Then we got two new right angle triangles, triangle ADB and triangle BDC. These two right angle triangles are similar to our original right angle triangle, and all these three right angle triangles are similar to each other. This is similarity and right angled triangle. Okay. So here I wrote given in triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree, segment BD perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. A dash, D dash, C is the betweenness. So we have to prove triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC and triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC, and therefore triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. This we have to prove. So let us start proof. We will take the first pair in triangle ADB, this triangle, and triangle ABC, this big triangle. In these two triangles, we have one angle common, angle DAB. This angle is congruent to angle BAC. This. So angle A is common angle in both the triangles. Okay. Then angle ADB congruent to angle ABC, because both the angles are 90 degree. Okay. That's why we got these two triangles similar by AA test. Followed first pair. Now we will take second pair, triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Triangle BDC and triangle ABC, big triangle. Now in these two triangles, again we have one angle common, and that angle is angle C. So we will write its name, angle BCD congruent to angle ACB, and the reason is common angle. Okay. Then angle BDC congruent to angle ABC, because both are 90 degree. Okay. That's why triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC by AA test. Followed? This is our statement number 2. Now from 1 and 2 statement, see. In statement number 1 we got triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC. In second statement we got triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. So triangle ADB and triangle BDC both are similar to triangle ABC. That's why these two triangles are also similar to each other. Triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC from 1 and 2. This is our statement number 3. So from first, second and third statement, we got all these three triangles similar to each other. Triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. This is the transitivity property. That means one triangle similar to second triangle similar to third triangle, then all the three triangles are similar to each other. So this way we proved similarity and right angle triangle. Just now we studied similarity in right angled triangle. Now using that, we will prove the next theorem, which is theorem of geometric mean. The statement of the theorem is, in a right angled triangle, the perpendicular drawn from the vertex of right angle to the hypotenuse, that perpendicular is the geometric mean of the segments in which the hypotenuse is dividing. Okay, means here in this triangle PQR, angle PQR is 90 degree. From this vertex Q, segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR, such a way that the betweenness is P dash S dash R. The perpendicular segment is QS and the hypotenuse is divided into segments PS and SR. So QS is the geometric mean. That means QS square is equal to PS into SR. QS square is equal to PS into SR. So let us start the proof. Just now we studied the similarity in right angle triangle. In triangle PQR, angle PQR is 90 degree and segment QS is perpendicular to segment PR. So these two small right angle triangles are similar to each other. Triangle QSR similar to triangle PSQ. QSR similar to PSQ. And the reason is similarity of right angle triangle. Okay. As these two triangles similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ. So instead of SQ we will write QS. And the reason is corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay. And now we will do cross multiplication. See, QS into QS, QS square equal to PS into SR. That means segment QS is the geometric mean of segment PS and segment SR. Segment QS is geometric mean of PS and SR. That's why QS square is equal to PS into SR. Followed the geometric mean theorem.